Shop floor management is not supervision, it is real-time control and decision-making. Reports don't run factories, visibility and discipline on the floor do. A well-managed shop floor turns problems into data and data into action. Modern shop floor management connects people, processes, and performance. Productivity, quality, cost, safety, and morale all meet at the shop floor. If management stays in cabins, losses stay hidden. Digital dashboards and AI help, but leadership on the shop floor matters more. Master the shop floor, and the entire factory performance transforms. Watch and subscribe to Journey Towards for shop floor management insights. Thank you.